We're gonna walk you to the pool and we're gonna show you it's right through those doors right there.
The door for you.
Oh, thank you. You don't need a room key to open it? Oh, okay.
Walk in.
So the indoor pool can hold up to 176 people. That is a large amount of guests. Oh, look at the dolphins. Wow. Look at those dolphins in the pool. Oh, wow. And it's a huge high ceiling. It's kind of a, what would you call this shape? A flower shape? Maybe, because it looks like almost like petals go out at each end. How deep does it get, Stan? And then there's a sports bar over here. And then the dolphins in the middle.
4'6" is the deepest.
4'6". Okay, 4'6" is the very deepest. Oh, and then do they have an outdoor pool? Looks like a hot tub. So this is the hot tub. It says no smoking allowed. Oh, another pool. So there is an outdoor pool because we wondered if the outdoor pool was open because we're here the last week of April, so we didn't know if it wouldn't open until Memorial Day. So we're gonna show you the outdoor pool. Don't fall in. He's gonna see if it's heated.
Slightly, I think, yeah. This whole pool area is very cool. 2 outdoor pools and 1 inside. So lots of opportunities to swim. And they have towels available. And right by the pool area is a bar, a Spring No. 8 deli. You can get drinks and some food. That's pretty convenient just off the pool if you're in that area.
So now we've came out of the gift shop right here and we're headed down this hallway. Look at these chandeliers all down the hallway to the spa. And we're going to show you if it's open, what the spa looks like. So there are spa wing rooms, the fitness center and recreation center. Here's the actual gates to get into the spa. Ooh, that's pretty. And it's a spa open by appointment only. Oh, it's a cute little bowling alley. There's 6 lanes. Let's see what kind of games they have in the arcade. GPA, you know more about video games than I do. This looks like, oh, this is a Jurassic Park one they used to play out at the truck stop and they took it out.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites.
Cohen loved that one.
Oh, shooting gallery game.
Okay. Ghostbusters, an old time, what do you call those?
Pinball machine.
Pinball machine. Oh, Guitar Hero. There's
air hockey.
Air hockey, couldn't think of it. Motorcycle. Do they race or?
Yeah, you can race each other.
Okay, there's a hoop fever. Foosball. Space Invaders. Now what is that?
Just shoot
Or you just
aliens.
say who would shoot more? I mean, it's a tiny arcade compared to like some hotels like Mount Olympus or Great Wolf Lodge, but at least they still have some arcade.
Yeah.
Because kids love arcades, and sometimes so do mom and dads.
I do.
And GPAs do too. This looks like a concierge desk where you can, oh, this is where you can make the reservations for the golfing and for the horseback riding, I believe. And this tells you the golf packages, which would be on the website too. There's a self-guided hike scavenger hunt. Oh, that's fun. That you can look for pine cones, spider webs, deer, 4-leaf clovers, cardinals, golf clubs, picnic tables, mushrooms, wildflowers, worms, squirrels, and moss. So that's fun. This is the walkway to get over to the casino, housed in this building right over here. So this is the French Lick Casino Sports Book. Okay, so this is the event center right over here. And I think they had a big concert there last night. Oh, and there's a children's playground. I didn't know that existed, did you? I wonder if that's new. So we're over here by where you can rent the bicycles, but I wanted to show you closer to the playground. There's kind of a tree in the way. There's a slide, 3 slides, I don't see. Oh, there's a few swings. There's like 2 baby swings, 2 older swings right there. And there's like a soccer net, but there's a little bit of grass there, which maybe, oh, frisbee golf. Look, that's what that is right there. Yeah, that shows it's bike rental and activity center. Oh yeah, maybe a kids club. There's games. Sorry. Huh. They're playing Rise of the Guardians. Is that a movie?
Yeah, and hop.
Let's walk around here and we'll show them the Surrey bicycles you can rent. Oh wow, they have more than just the Surrey bikes. And oh, look at the little kids' bikes. Cute. Some of them have training wheels still on them. Here's the big Surrey bicycles like they have down at the boardwalk at Disney. They'd seat 2, 4, 6 people.
Bicycle built for 2.
Oh, that's cute. And then there's the inside of the activity center. It's already closed for the day. But look at all the little animals on the clothespins.
There is a lot to see and do here.